I almost ruined this entire AI workflow without realizing it. Not because AI didn't work, but because I kept making beginner mistakes that felt productive at the time. If you're starting with AI, these are the exact mistakes that will slow you down, even if you have a good system. The first mistake was tweaking everything too early. I kept changing prompts, adjusting formats, second-guessing outputs. I thought I was optimizing. I was really just resetting progress. AI workflows only work when you give them time to stabilize. The second mistake was adding tools. Every time I saw a new AI tool, I felt tempted to upgrade my setup. But more tools didn't help. They just added friction. One workflow, one tool. That's enough for beginners. The third mistake was chasing quality before consistency. I wanted perfect output right away. Cleaner writing, better structure, more polish. But AI improves when you improve your instructions, and that only happens through repetition. The fourth mistake was forgetting the outcome. I focused too much on prompts and not enough on what the output was actually for. AI output only matters if it becomes something usable, a page, a script, an asset. And the last mistake was expecting speed instead of progress. AI didn't save me time on day one. It saved me time after repetition. That's the part nobody tells beginners. If you're using AI and it feels frustrating, you're probably not failing. You're just making normal beginner mistakes. In the next video, I'll break down the one mistake that matters more than all the others and how to fix it fast. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.